Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. In today's episode, we're diving into the Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO 3i, a powerful all-in-one desktop PC released in 2023. This computer is designed for both everyday use and heavy workloads, and it comes with some exciting features that we'll explore in this video. Let's start with the specs. The Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO 3i is equipped with a 12th generation Intel Core i3 processor, ensuring excellent performance. It boasts 8GB of RAM and a 256GB SSD, which means smooth multitasking and quick access to your files. This all-in-one desktop comes with a 21.5 FHD display, offering crisp visuals while saving valuable desk space. The borderless screen design maximizes your viewing experience, whether you're working or enjoying entertainment. It runs on the latest Windows 11 Home operating system, providing a user-friendly interface and access to a wide range of software and apps. With its ample storage capacity, you can store thousands of songs, images, movies, and shows without worrying about running out of space. The Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO 3i features a built-in HD 720p camera and a dual-array microphone for clear video chats and vlog recordings. The two built-in 3W speakers deliver clear and crisp audio, perfect for streaming music or watching your favorite shows. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1, ensuring a smooth and speedy experience. The computer also includes USB ports for connecting your peripherals and accessories. You can find the Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO 3i on Amazon at a competitive price point, making it an attractive option for various needs. Before we wrap up, it's essential to consider the feedback from actual users. This product has received positive reviews, with users praising its performance and value. In conclusion, the Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO 3i is a solid choice for those seeking a versatile and powerful all-in-one desktop PC. Its sleek design, impressive specifications, and Windows 11 operating system make it a compelling option for both work and play. Don't forget to check the latest pricing and availability on Amazon to see if it fits your budget and needs. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique today. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques.